Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna help my daughter to hang this on the back of her door. I helped her before with the curtains. I also did her fan in her room. So we need a few things. But I want to show you guys how easy it is to put something up and you don't need the help of anyone besides your daughter filming. Okay. So what I want is I want to make sure that this is gonna stay still and to make sure that is in the right place. I'm gonna take some measurements. I know how high I wanted this to be. I'm gonna use 9 and 9. Trend will be screws. You gotta make sure how many you need, but before you put the screws, this guy is very important. So your work would not fall out the next day. I actually gonna make a mark. I took a pan apart from inside the pan because these parts where the screw gonna go on is very thin and a pencil would not go inside over there. So on the line that I mark, I put over here and I would mark where do I need to make my little hole. Okay. Make sure you don't go through the door, please. Before I go over there, I make sure this was the right size with my door, so it would not go through because this is not a masses wood. I need my hammer. You thought your mom could not do this. You're wrong. I'm not saying you in general. I know. When people heard that I got this fan and I was gonna put it on, everybody was telling me not to. I bought the fan and I waited 1 year for my landlord to change because the lights did not work. Because he never did. I went to YouTube and I found a channel and voila, we have a fan. And that has been what, since the summer, so it's in there for a while, so I believe it comes to stay.
Roasted.
Now we're gonna change the top. I'm sure girls can do this all over, but I want to make sure to remind you guys you can do it. You don't need anybody to do it for you. Hey, my little assistant, can you come and help me out, please?
Yeah.
Or maybe, can you hold this? I'm gonna get the second one and put a little bit inside. I need to make sure that this is gonna fit.
It's gonna fit. So basically now she's just screwing it in to make sure that's stable before.
Alright.
This one isn't in enough. The point is barely in.
It's okay. have it. We have white, but that's the color that she chose. So she just changed her bedroom. We painted, we changed all the bed color, and I hope you guys will watch our next video. Thank you.
And don't forget to subscribe.